Thanks very much for speaking to us here on Your News tonight. How quickly did you create the design for these masks?
Yes, hello, I'm Rigas from Prague. When we saw the lack of these personal protective equipment, we just did start working, and it took 1 week to go through the whole innovation cycle from the very beginning idea through models and prototyping, licensing, startup, and now it's in the hospital actually, so we are very happy.
And have they been tested? What's that process like? How does this all work from getting your design and then actually having it inside a healthcare system?
Absolutely, yeah. We do need to go on through the whole certification process, and it was, of course, it had received the fast track, but we really paid attention to meet all the safety requirements of the European norms. So it was tested in the national testing facility, the authority, and of course it was also tested for the sterilization at the certification authority as well. So there was multiplied tests, and it was proved that the health mask is very safe.
And one of the issues with using 3D printers is they do take quite a bit of time in order for the creations to come out of the machine. So how many of these masks can you produce?
Yes, right. You're absolutely right. But we already mobilized the 3D printer manufacturers in the country, and also the owners of these 3D printers. So currently we are working on multiple sites. So currently there are like 8 very efficient multiple sites working on that printing process. So we can do like 500 pieces a day, and we are working to even speed it up, and that's just great.
And how much are these masks going to cost? Are you selling these to the public in any way, or are these just for healthcare settings?
Yeah, we just need to give these masks as soon as possible to hospitals, to the red zone professionals. So that's our first aim. It's shared on open source, so it's open source software, so everyone in the world now can download it on our website, which is www.rp95.cz. So you can download it for free, of course, for non-commercial use. So then you can print and provide it without margin to anyone who is in need.
Vít Dočkal joining us there from the Czech Republic. Thank you very much indeed. And